Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. This is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here was completely free and a 35-cent moneymaker. I didn't make a whole lot of money this week, but free is free and I am happy with it. So if you want to see how I picked up all of these items, keep on watching. Now in the video, I'm going to explain to you these toothbrushes and picks. They're all completely free, so keep on watching and stay for the explanation for that. Okay guys, so my store is not tagged at all, but I'm picking up 2 of the Tresemme and they're 2 for $10. Buy 2 get a $2 extra care back. I'm gonna use this 4 off of 2 coupon. Thank you, Saving with Danielle. She sent me some coupons. So that's gonna take $4 off. I have a 4 off of 2 digital and a 3 off of 10 Tresemme CRT. That's gonna adjust down, making it free, and I'll get $2 back, making it free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so I have not gotten my January free product, so I'm picking up this Paparazzi cuticle cream, and the CRT will make this completely free. Okay, so I'm picking up 2 of the Garnier Fructis. It's $4.29. Buy 2 get a $2 extra care back. That's gonna be $8.58. I'm gonna use this 3 off of 2. I also have a 3 off of 2 digital. I'm gonna pay $2.58 and I'll get $2 back, making them just 58 cents each. Now if you want it to be 38 cents, you can pick up one of the shampoo and conditioner. That's $4.19 and it's gonna be 38 cents for you, but I use these, so this is what I'm gonna pick up. Okay, so this Sure deodorant right here, it's on sale for $2. When you buy 1, you get a $2 extra care back, making it completely free. And you can also take the Brute, that's also $2. So my store only have 1 of each, so I'll be taking 1 of each and they'll both be free. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is the Oral-B replacement heads. They're $6.99. Buy 2 get a $4 extra care back. So $6.99 buy 2, that's gonna be $13.98. I'm gonna try this 10 off of 2 coupon. It worked last time they had this deal, so if that works, it's gonna take $10 off. I'll pay $3.98 and I'll get $4 back, making it completely free. My store only have 2, but if you have 4 at your store, you can do this deal 2 times and you'll get 2 of them. Well, you'll get 4 for free. Okay, so this is a good deal for those of you who are new to couponing. Again, my store is not tagged, but the Colgate is 2 for $7.98. There's a $7 off of 2 coupon. That's going to leave you to pay 98 cents for 2. I'm not going to do this deal because I have way too much toothpaste. So if you're new to couponing, this is a good deal for you. Or if 98 cents for 2 is a good price for you, then feel free to do this deal. Okay guys, so I found these Clairol hair dye on clearance and it's $6.08 for 1. Both of them, it's, well, if I pick up 2, it's gonna be $12.16. I'm gonna use this 5 off of 2 coupon. I also have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and I have a $2 off of 2. That's gonna come down to 16 cents, paying 16 cents, getting nothing back. Yeah, that's in 16 cents for 2. Okay, so the Revlon is spend 15 get $5 back. I'm gonna do the deal 2 times, so I'm gonna pick up 1 of the Revlon Color Stay Matte Lip Crayon right here. This is the last one. I'm gonna pick up, well, let me tell you how much it costs. It's $11.79. I'm picking up 1 of the lip gloss at $11.49, and I'm picking up 1 of the mascara at $9.99. So everything is gonna be $33.27. I have a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT and a $5 CRT. I'm gonna use 2 of the lip coupons, $3 coupons, and 1 of the $3 eye coupons. That's going to take $19 off in coupons. I'm going to pay $14.27 and I'll get $10 back from CVS, and I'll get $5 back on Ibotta for the lip crayon, making it free and a 73-cent moneymaker. Okay, so I wanted to include this in here. Instead of getting $5 from Ibotta, I got $9 back, even though the 2 lip and eye offers were not available anymore. I believe once it was clipped, it's still giving you that rebate back. So I got $9 back from Ibotta instead of $5. Okay guys, so the Huggies diapers, they're 2 for $22. Spend $20, get $5 back. So $22. I have a 4 off of 20 diaper CRT. I'm gonna be using 2 of these $2 coupons. I'll pay $14. I'll get $5 back from CVS. But on Ibotta, there's a rebate for $2 back on each pack, making it just $5 for 2 packs or $2.50 each. Okay, so I'm picking up 4 Shea Moisture products. My store only have 3 of the $3.19 hair mask. So I'm picking up those 3 and 1 for $11.99. So for those 4 products, it's going to be $21.56. I'm going to use 2 of these 6 off of 2 coupons. There's a $2 digital. I'm not sure if it's going to come off or not, but if it do, I'll pay $7.56 and I'll get $5 back, making the final price just $2.56 for all 4 products. Okay guys, so I'm doing the spend 25 get 8 back. I'm picking up 4 of the Herbal Essence products at 2 for $12. I'm going to be using 2 of these 4 off of 2 coupons. I also have a 4 off of 2 digital, and I have 3 off of 8 Herbal Essence CRT. So that's only $24 though, so I'm short $1. I'm gonna find something else to include in the deal, and I'll show you the final deal, everything all together. Okay guys, so this is the last thing I'm picking up for my spend 25 get 8. I'm picking up one of the Dawn Power Wash, and it's on sale for $5.50. So let me put it all together. I was thinking about taking this one because this one is massive. Okay guys, so this is my spend 25 get $8 back. I have 4 of the Herbal Essence products at 2 for $12, and I have 1 of the Dawn Power Wash at $5.50. So for all these products, it's $29.50. I have 3 off of 8 Herbal Essence CRT. I have a $4 digital that's gonna glitch, a 4 off of 2 digital that's gonna glitch with these 4 off of 2 paper coupons. I'm gonna use this $1 coupon for the Power Wash. So I will pay $10.50 after all of the coupons, and I'll get $8 back, making everything just $2.50. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 2 of the Nivea Sensitive Post Shea Balm at $8.29. So for 2, it's gonna be $10.58. I have a 2 off of 10 Nivea Shave CRT. I'm gonna use 2 of these $2 off coupons. It's gonna work for the white bottles, and I just tried it at the front. So I'll be left to pay $10.58, and I'll get $5 back from CVS, making it $5.58, but I'm gonna get $5 back on Ibotta, $2.50 for each bottle. So making it just 58 cents for 2. And I have a bonus because I purchased this one on clearance at Walmart. So I have a $2 bonus. I think it's gonna make it free and a money maker. Okay guys, so I did not record a clip in store because I totally forgot. So the Garnier, it's 2 for $7, buy 2, get a $3 extra care back. So I used this 4 off of 2 coupon, and it came off perfectly fine. There's also a 2 off of 2 instant coupon that everyone got this week. So you'll pay $1 and you'll get $3 back, making it free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so this is the receipt for the Clairol. The $2 CRT adjusted down, and I did only the digital on this one because they were $4.79 I think and $1.99. So it adjusted and it was completely free. So this is the receipt for the Shea Moisture and the Clairol. So the 5 off of 2 and the $5 off of 2 paper coupon came off, as well as the $2 coupon. So that came to $1.72, and I got back my $5 for the Shea Moisture. This is the receipt for the spend $25, get 8 back. So these are all the coupons. They came off perfectly fine. The 4 off of 2 Herbal Essence and the 4 off of 2 Herbal Essence Digital came off. The 4 off of 20 diapers, 3 off of 8 Herbal Essence twice. It was 16 cents plus taxes, and I got back my $8 extra buck. And I got back the $5 extra buck for the diapers. I also got the $2 twice on not coupons.com on Ibotta. So I'm going to include that here. I just wanted to let you know these toothbrushes as well work with that 10 off of 2 paper coupon for the Oral-B deal. So if you want to do the deal, so my store had 2 of the brush heads, and I did that, and the toothbrushes as well. They work with that 10 off of 2, so you can get 4 of them completely free. So that is it. This is my complete haul. Let me get all my receipts out of the way. Usually I do it all at once, but this is everything I picked up this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.